did that come on?
I don't know. Oh. I went to bed last night and I was fine, and then I woke up this morning. I felt like I had an elephant on my chest. Thank you.
Sucks that you're sick, especially today.
I know. It's just a cold, but it's bad. Oh, you know what? Great. I had to pick up Nick's Valentine's gift this morning.
I can go get it for you if you want.
No, it's... Man, I still cannot get used to your hair. It's fine. We'll celebrate, when you get better.
Oh, sorry.
Bless you.
Here, baby. Here.
Just like that.
Thank you.
My heavens, look at you. You look like death warmed over. You should have stood in bed, honey.
You got some news about Rose, I hope?
I hate to be the one to tell you this, and believe me, before I do, I tried everything I could to stop her.
Stop who? Who?
Rose took off with Henry Coleman.
Oh, I was afraid of that.
Yeah, it's Detective Hughes. I need to put out an ATB on Henry Coleman.
Oh, yeah. You better tell him to check the airport detective. Paul went to find Rose.
Oh.
God bless.
Thank you.
Honey, are you sure you don't want to just crawl back into bed?
Oh, I'm fine.
Well, no offense, but you don't sound very fine.
Who gets a cold in the middle of the summer?
Yeah. Crummy timing, honey.
It's the worst.
Blue. Rehearsal dinner. Yes, 7 p.m. I will be there with bells on. No, nothing's gonna ruin this wedding, Mom. I promise, and I love you. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, thank God.
Oh, no, baby. Those swollen glands turned into something, didn't they?
Yes, I know. I am fighting off some bug with every cell in my body.
Oh, baby, that's bad.
I can't be sick right now, Billy.
I know.
And I've got to get better for Mom and Dad's rehearsal dinner tonight. And tomorrow,
I'm sorry, but the way you look, I don't think you're going to be standing up at any weddings.
I have to, Billy. I have to be there for her. I can't let her down.
Nora! Got room for one more patient?
Well, it sounds like you need a medical doctor, not a psychiatrist.
I have that bad cold going around. I just hope Matthew doesn't get it. I'm putting a serious dent in the tissue population now.
That is what they are there for.
Does anyone ever really lie down on that couch?
Well, many of my patients prefer it. They can lie there and not look at me.
And if they don't like to look at you?
No, they don't want to see my crazy reactions.
Oh, but isn't that half the fun, is making your shrink react?
Well, it depends on your psychosis.
Touche.
Awfully wet. That's you. Are you still not feeling better? No, I'm feeling, I think I feel worse, actually. I cannot breathe through my nose. I thought all I needed was a good night's sleep, but my throat kind of feels like Velcro. Have no fear. I have supplies. Oh. Okay, I have cough drops. Oh. I got tissues with lotion so that your nose won't get all red. And then cold medicine, very important. The orange pills are for right now, and the green ones are to help you get sleep tonight. Oh, that's what every woman wants on her wedding night, is a good night's sleep. You know, the wedding night is the least of what a marriage is. I know that. Nathan and I are going to love each other for the rest of our lives. Oh, Lulu, the lotion. Oh, you're a godsend. Okay, I just want you to picture Nathan waiting for you at the altar. Nothing is going to stop you from getting married today. Everyone will understand if you have to postpone the wedding. I would never do that. Nathan and I met 3 years ago on New Year's Eve, and I want to get married on that anniversary. But honey, you're sick. Come. Oh my God, aren't you supposed to be on my side? Look, if I'm sicker to borrow, I am sicker to borrow, okay? I just gotta get through the ceremony, the reception. I can count on you guys, right?
Yes, of course.
Bless you.
Hi.
Hey! Happy Valentine's
Gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Wow.
Bless you. Again. You okay?
Yeah, it's just the dust in here is like killing my sinuses.
Well, maybe we should kiss again just to make sure you're not allergic to the it's like beer, so we need to come up with something fast. Bless you. Again.
No, I'm fine. I'm totally. It's just the allergies and.